Hello my lovely people, welcome to my channel. So today we have our big beef steak T-bone. We call it T-bone here, T-bone beef steak. So now I'll just do this with the fork. So now let us marinate it. So guys, you can see our beef steak is ready. So we have a collection of spices. We have salt, black pepper, coriander, beef mix spice, and some chili flakes, lime, and olive oil. So I'm going to leave it for, you can leave it as long as you want, but for me I'm going to leave it for about 2 hours. Then I'm going to start cooking it. You can even leave it for 24 hours. So that the spices can soak in well, so that it can become tender. And so let us cover it. So guys, as you can see, our meat is getting ready. Our steak beef. So this is how I cook. I usually cook it on a non-sticky pan with very few water, slowly by slowly. So now we are going to add more few water. Then you're going to cover it. So guys, that's our meat. I told you I'm cooking it slowly by slowly on a non-sticky pan. So with adding water slowly by slowly, and then it's going to get ready. So this is the way you cook it if you want it to be soft and tender. I cook it for almost 2 hours like this. So now let's cover it. Let's cover it. As you can see guys, I've set apart my minced meat. That's my minced meat. Then we have oil here and garlic. Garlic. So let's cook our garlic. So guys, our garlic is ready for me. So now we have this. We have here there is broccoli. You call it bell pepper, I call it green pepper. Then there is grated carrots, So that's our ingredients. So we will add our broccoli. Stir and let it cook for a while. Now let me cover it for it to cook for a while. So guys, let's check our broccoli. So now let us add our carrot and bell pepper, green pepper. Let them cook for a while. Cover, let them cook for a while. Let me cover. So now let's check our vegetables. So as you can see guys, they are partially cooked. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add just few of this. Please comment down below and tell me what recipe I deal most of my recipes are pasta recipes and seafood recipe, but I also do other recipes, but those are my specialty. They're the foods that I'm special in cooking them. So not special as such, but I'm familiarized well with those recipes. So that's our combination. Then I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add some salt. Then I'm going to add some black pepper. Then I'm going to add coriander, just to give it a good taste. Then I'm going, you know that in my recipes I love chili so much. Chili is optional. If you don't like, you cannot add. I'm going to add chili flakes. Then now let's mix it up. Cover, let it cook. So guys, this is our pasta water is ready. So I'm going to add my pasta. So guys, our pasta is ready. I'm just going to add our pasta here. I use this so that I can mix well. So that's it. Our pasta is ready. You can add some cheese and then you're ready to go. Please comment down below and tell me what you think about this video and if you'd like me to do more and more recipes.